everyone, and welcome back to Identity Insights by Indicio. I am your host, Tim Spring, and today I'm joined by Indicio Software Engineer and head of our new Academy program, Char Howland, and she's here to discuss the new Academy program. Thank you for joining me today, Char. Would you mind telling us a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. Yeah, thanks for having me on today, Tim. I'm a software engineer at Indicio, and I work in the Hyperledger Aries and Indie space. I'm also involved in the decentralized identity open source community as co-chair of the Hyperledger Indie Contributors Working Group and the Hyperledger Identity Special Interest Group. And I'm coordinating the new Indicio Academy program, which we're here to talk about. So fun to work in lots of different exciting areas.
Awesome. Well, no, we're excited to have you with us today. In your own words, to start us off, could you tell us a little bit about just what the Academy program is?
Absolutely. So Indicio Academy is the learning platform for decentralized identity technologies and trusted digital ecosystems. Just a quick definition, a trusted digital ecosystem is a way to issue, share, and verify high-value data in a secure and privacy-preserving way. And so participants in this program take a series of courses from experts in the field and then take an exam on each course to validate that knowledge and allow them to receive a certification that they can show on their LinkedIn and resume. So we're offering certifications that allow you to get the foundational knowledge of trusted digital ecosystems and then as well delve into the business and technical side. So it's a program to get you trained and certified on trusted digital ecosystems.
All right, that sounds pretty cool. So what was Indicio's goal with creating this program? What problem was kind of set out to solve here?
Yeah, so there's a big need for education on this technology. Since the beginning of Indicio, a significant part of what we do is giving training courses and helping people learn and to talk about and develop these technologies. So we're expanding on those existing offerings and making it into a cohesive program where you take one course after the other, take an exam after each course, and receive that credential after passing those courses to validate your knowledge. So the problem to solve is that the technology is really new, and we're providing a great way to quickly learn about it from the people who are actively working on and building this technology.
All right. Could you walk me through what a typical engagement might look like? What exactly do the customers get, and how does that, go from, purchase to completing your credential?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are three different certifications. The core trusted digital ecosystem certification. I can briefly walk through each of these. This takes 3 hours and has three modules to give you that foundational knowledge of decentralized identity and verifiable credentials that you'll need to understand the rest of the modules. So you'll learn about issuer and verifier software and how to communicate decentralized identity to customers and other stakeholders. And so this core trusted digital ecosystem certification is a prerequisite for the other two, which get more specialized between the technical and business side. So there is the trusted digital ecosystems business professional certification, which takes about 2 hours and dives into governance, the different kinds of governance and how they apply to your trusted digital ecosystems, as well as business applications for particular market verticals. And then there is, thirdly, the Trusted Digital Ecosystems Technical Professional Certification, which dives into the technical side with modules on the mobile holder agent and that user privacy, custody and control piece, as well as how to run demos to showcase this technology. So customers get to learn from the people in the field who are building and creating this technology. Depending on membership level, they can have content customized to their industry vertical and particular needs, so that they can really understand the importance of trusted digital relationships and how organizations can create and maximize economic value from trusted data.
Okay. So before we move on, I just want to confirm, right? Because you mentioned for the business model that it's only a 2 hour course. That would be in addition to your base model, right? You can't really take one without the other, or how does that work?
Exactly. The trusted digital ecosystem certification, the core one is a prerequisite for the other two. So if you're going for the business or technical professional side, that will be those 2 hours plus the 3 hours for the core modules.
All
So
right, 5 hours total. Seems
yeah.
pretty reasonable.
Mhm.
So what is the ideal audience for these trainings, right? Is it more for like the individual? Is it, I could get my whole team trained? How does that look?
Yeah. So it's really a broad range. Right now, or initially, we're focused on um, training more whole teams rather than individuals. But as we move forward, we are excited to offer opportunities for individuals to get certified. And so the core trusted digital ecosystem certification is beginner friendly. You don't have to have prior knowledge of the technology. So this is great for all roles. And the business and technical professional certification tracks, they do go deeper, but that's why the trusted digital ecosystem certification is a prerequisite. And so even if you have some or a lot of experience in the technology or industry, those are going to be particularly valuable. And in terms of roles, the business professional certification, that would be a great fit for people who work in sales, business development, marketing, product development, those sorts of roles. For the technical professional certification, this is a great fit for developers, technical project managers, etc. But those aren't restrictions. That can be really valuable for people with all sorts of different roles to take the business and technical certifications too. So I would say there's something for everyone across a variety of roles and experience levels.
So could you tell me a little bit about the logistics of how the training process works, right? Is it you watch a video and take a quiz? Is it more of like an in-person? Is it a Zoom call? What does it look like to receive a training?
Absolutely. So we're offering instructor-led courses for this program, so you can get all your questions answered, whether that's in person or virtually on these training courses. In the future, we are excited to add a recorded self-serve option, but for now, you will be learning directly from instructors and able to ask questions during the courses. So, and we're delivering the program in a membership model where there is a yearly fee for a certain number of certifications that your team can get. And at a higher membership level, there's no maximum for the number of people on your team that can be certified. And in that case, the content is specified to that specific client and industry vertical. So some different options there, but yeah, right now instructor led, which is great, and then we'll add the recorded option as well in the future.
Okay. So I'm curious, what advice would you offer to those on the fences, whether or not this could be for you and your team?
Yeah, absolutely. We're really excited to launch Indicio Academy because it is a unique offering for learning about this technology that has the power to transform our digital interactions and trust on the internet. This program exists to help you be successful in talking about and building this technology and reaching success. So we've built a program that is useful and worth your time for executives, senior leaders, marketing, sales, business development, software engineers, all sorts of different roles. And we're really excited to be able to announce and talk about this publicly, and anybody can reach out if they have any further questions on the program.
Sounds good. Well, it looks like that is about our time for today. So if you at home are interested in verifiable credential technology and would like to learn a bit more, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue to bring you some more educational content. If you have specific questions or topics that you'd like for us to cover, please go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll be sure to read address them. And thank you again to you, Char. If people have questions or would like to learn a bit more about the new Academy program, where would you suggest they look?
Yeah, so we have a web page with all this information. I'm sure that'll be linked in the notes of the video. And just the contact us page on our website is also a great place to go with questions. So I'm happy to elaborate on any of these pieces, and we're really excited to get people involved in the program and certified.